Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the toppest car dashcams you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. For your car, the best dashcams give you safety and security. Really, a dashboard camera is like getting a CCTV for your vehicle. Dashcams come in a number of forms and prices, and many have extra security features that go beyond quick video capture. You can have dashcams with concealed wiring mounted professionally, or select a dashcam that you can suit and switch between vehicles. You might assume that even the best dashcams are just there to film ahead and record video if they detect a collision. With cheaper and simpler models, that is all they do, but more advanced dashcams go much further to act as driver assistance and emergency response systems. For instance, if you accidentally drift out of your path, some dashcams can warn you, or if you don't notice the car in front of you set off in traffic. Or, some dashcams will also call the emergency services and include your exact GPS position if you are involved in an accident, and do not respond. Other dashcams come with a second camera that will record out of your rear windscreen in addition to the front, since threats on the road can come from behind as well as in front. We have separate guide to the best front and rear dashcams, if you're looking for one of these. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, GARMIN Dashcam 66 watts. For their ease of use, we have always rated the GARMIN Dashcam offerings, and new to the party is its succinct line of cute, unobtrusive dashcams, which piggyback on the brand's action camera user interface, but have plenty of features that make them a valuable open road assistant. In our eyes, this more costly and modern 66 watts unit is the one to go for, simply because the inclusion of the massively large 180-degree viewing angle lens makes it the master of catching all that's going on ahead, even though at the very edge of the frame there is some distortion. There are very few dashcams that don't automatically record and save footage when a built-in G sensor detects an accident, and that's exactly what GARMIN has implemented here too. On top of this, users can operate the 66 watts using voice commands, such as OK, GARMIN, save video and take a picture, but we found this system a little clunky when out on the noisy motorway. Footage is mostly excellent and efficiency is very good in low light conditions, but the clean and tidy kit is arguably its greatest appeal. It is thin, unremarkable, and it doesn't cost the planet. On number 4, GARMIN Dashcam Tandem. The first dual-lens dashcam from GARMIN allows you to see what is happening both inside and outside the car while driving, which is useful for taxi drivers and others who want to keep an eye on their passengers. The Dashcam Tandem features a clip-in magnetic mount that is extremely compact in nature and can be conveniently mounted below the rear-view mirror and removed while not in use. 2 lengths of USB cable are provided. The longer one enables you to run the cable around the car cabin neatly, as is a cigarette lighter USB socket with 2 ports for charging your phone at the same time. However, if you want to use the dashcam for incident recording, such as if your car gets bumped in the car park while you are shopping, you will need to get it professionally installed so it's constantly recording. The GARMIN Drive app, Android and iOS, is the gateway to camera control, where you can search video and audio footage from your drives without having to take the micro SD card out of the camera. The image quality is usually excellent, especially from the front camera. And while the rear camera is struggling a little in very low light, in black and white you can still make out passengers pretty clearly. There is also a picture-in-picture feature to allow you to simultaneously view both rear and front-facing camera video. Rather usefully, footage is displayed with a timestamp, the speed of the vehicle and its location. Voice control is also provided, which enables hands-free control with instructions such as OK GARMIN, take a picture, or OK GARMIN, save video. Safety cam alert updates will also be added to the app soon. The only minor issue we experienced was that when analyzing footage from our drives, the software was not as intuitive as we would have liked and didn't immediately connect to the Wi-Fi network. Aside from that, for those who want to keep an eye on their vehicle, inside and out, this is a costly but excellent choice. On number 3, GARMIN Dashcam Mini. The tiny Dashcam Mini from GARMIN is built to be hassle-free and secret. Attached to the low-profile mount, behind the rear-view mirror, the compact cam disappears, letting you focus on the lane. Run the longer of the 2 USB cables behind the headliner of your cabin, and you'll easily forget that it's there. Made to be quick, on the Dashcam Mini there are only 2 buttons, one to mute the microphone, the other to save clips on the go, and there's no framing footage show. Instead, on your smartphone, download the GARMIN Drive app, link to the built-in Wi-Fi of the Mini and view the live preview stream while changing its location. The app is also where you can review, edit and export clips, making it straightforward to get footage off the camera. You can tweak settings, too, including data overlay and video quality, which can be reduced to 720p, as well as remotely controlling the dashcam. It's an easy, reliable setup, and if you don't want to sit in your car while sorting clips, you can pop the cam off its mount and power it using the spare USB cable. The Dashcam Mini records continuously upon launch, looping over the microSD card. Although it does not offer some rivals' higher resolutions, its full HD footage is still bright and informative, while exposure adapts well to various conditions. And, without fisheye distortion, the 140-degree viewing angle occupies much of the view ahead. There are some compromises: there's no GPS or night mode, and you'll need to buy and install the separate cable for parking surveillance. And while incident detection saves footage automatically, it did miss a couple of heavy braking events. All the same, as a subtle, uncomplicated and affordable solution, the Dashcam Mini ticks a lot of boxes. On number 2: THINKWARE Q800 Pro. The THINKWARE Q800 Pro is for you if you want a dashcam that does absolutely anything but 4K. The camera also has a large range of safety features, as well as high-quality 1440p shooting with enhanced night vision. These include notifications to the speed camera, warnings of lane deviation and forward collision, and a feature to notify you when the car ahead moves off, saving you from the driver behind an uncomfortable beep. In harsh or low lighting, wide dynamic range and auto exposure help to keep the footage clear, and everything is shot through a 140-degree lens. A second rear-facing dashcam is an optional extra, too. And if you hardwire the Q800 Pro to your car, giving it a permanent power source from the battery, there's a smart parking mode to record incidents while parked. Because it lacks a display, the THINKWARE Q800 Pro has a more subtle design than most dash cams, hugging your windscreen and fitting neatly below or behind the rear view mirror. Designed to be a permanent addition to your car, the camera sticks to the screen and works best when hardwired, so there's no quick way to switch it between multiple vehicles. On number 1, NEXTBASE 522 GW. For those who want an entire suite of features, including Alexa, GPS and emergency SOS, but who are also on a budget, the NEXTBASE 522 GW is a great dashcam. The 522 GW fires at 30 frames per second at 2K resolution, 1440p, or at 60 fps standard 1080p Full HD. It also features a viewing angle of 140 degrees, integrated GPS for precise position, data on direction and distance, and even Amazon Alexa. This implies that the 522 GW functions just like an Alexa smart speaker at home using the internet connection of your smartphone, allowing you to play music, hear news headlines, get directions and even monitor your smart home gadgets while on the road. Emergency SOS can sense a collision and then, if the driver doesn't respond to a prompt, will alert the local emergency services and share your location, potentially saving lives. So guys, this was the video about the best car dashcams. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.